Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to reset password in Spotify. So let's get started. At first, let's go to the browser and search for spotify.com. So now, in the top, we can see this setting icon. So let's tap on this. Now, we need to click on support as there is no reset password option over here. Now, we need to search reset password. Now here is can't reset password, so let's tap on this. Now scroll down. Here we can see reset your password, so let's tap on this one. And we need to write our email address here. Now tap on send. Now you will get a link in your email. So here's the email. Now you need to tap on this. Now we need to write our new password. Now repeat the new password. Now click on send. So now you are done. So this is how we can reset our password in Spotify. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.